What's up? It's Shawn with Books with Brooks here. Today I'm going to be talking about an issue I get asked a lot about regarding the needs attention error on your invoice screen in QuickBooks Online, specifically regarding a returned customer payment. Alright, so I decided it would be best if I went ahead and showed you how to do this process manually, and then I'll show you how to match it up to your bank feed in just a minute. So for now, we're going to go ahead and create a new expense. We're going to create the payee as the customer that had the returned payment. The payment date will be the date of the returned payment, which for me is going to be 6/11. Then I'm going to put the category as accounts receivable. You're more than welcome to put anything else, but this is all you need for the example, other than, of course, the amount. And I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. So now, as you can see here, we've got a match for the returned payment, which we'll get into in just a second. For now, we're going to go ahead and open up the customer profile. And as you can see here, we've got an expense, a payment, and an invoice. So for now, we're going to go ahead and open up the payment. And as you can see here, it's applied to the invoice. So this is actually what's causing the needs attention error, is the fact that this payment is applied to the invoice. In order to resolve that, we simply need to unapply this. But as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it says this transaction will create an additional credit in the amount of $50. We don't want that. That's the purpose for the expense. As you can see here, we can apply it to the expense instead, and in the bottom right hand corner, the credit then goes away. So we're going to go ahead and save and close that. Now, as you can see here, the invoice is now open, which is correct because the customer payment was returned. So now you can void, delete, or resend this invoice. Then now we'll go back to the banking feed and show you how to match up the bank feed with these transactions. So first off, we're going to match up the deposit to the original deposit, not the invoice, because it was already deposited. Match that. Then we got the returned payment here, which is of course going to match to the expense. Go ahead and match that up. And now as you can see, we've got everything matched up, and in the customer profile, you'll see that nothing has changed. You're still ready to re-invoice the customer or go ahead and void it or delete that. For those of you still watching, I hope you found the video helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did so you don't miss out on more content like this in the future. And again, my name's Shawn with Books with Brooks, and I'm here to help you spend less time making more money.